In this video, I'm going to show you how to start batching your YouTube videos. Welcome back to the Easy Views Challenge. Today we are on day 8 of the challenge, and now we can step it up into stage 2 where we can start batching our content so we can start saving time making our videos. If you're new here and you're not part of the Easy Views Challenge, I'll leave a link for you down below. Come across and join us in the Easy Views Challenge. It's completely free and we can help you get momentum and start growing your YouTube channel. Now, for the champions that are part of this challenge, well done on getting your first week done. We now have 7 videos published on your YouTube channel, and you should start feeling the momentum that you are getting. Today, I'm going to explain to you how to start batching your videos, and we're going to ease you into the process. A lot of people try and overdo it in the beginning and start batching 4 or 5 videos all in one. To get started, we need the baby steps. So we're going to start with just batching 2 videos this week. And then in week 3, we can get to a place where we're batching 3 or 4 videos. The batching really works well because you can start doing the same tasks while you are in that mode, which means you can perform better, get the job done quicker, and it's going to take you less time to produce videos that are higher quality, which means you can grow your YouTube channel faster. And that's what we're all about in the Easy Views Challenge, making your life easier and getting the most return out of investment in the time that you spend making your videos. So what's the first step in batching? Well, we're going to take our video workflow and start combining parts of that video. So what we're going to do in week 2, starting today, we're going to have our 7 video ideas batched from the endless video ideas system that we created. We're going to pull out our next 7 video ideas, and you can refine these as you make and publish videos and you get feedback from your audience. You're going to come up with new video ideas, and you're going to have a better idea of what kind of videos your audience wants to. So this is going to constantly change. What we need to do is now get our next 7 best video ideas for week 2 ready. That's your first batch. So the video ideas section, step 1 of our video workflow, is now done. Step 2 of our video workflow is to come up with the thumbnails. So we're going to start with our day 8 and day 9 videos. So put those 2 together, and we're going to make those thumbnails together, coming up with the thumbnail concept and using the thumbnail template from the thumbnail lesson to make our thumbnails really quickly and to keep the theme and feel of our thumbnails attached to the brand feel of our channel. Once we've created our thumbnails for our 2 videos, then we're going to move on to writing the hook for our 2 videos. Get your hook nailed down. Step 3 is going to be writing our titles. Now, I don't just want you to write one title for each video because we're batching it. I still want you to create 5 to 10 titles for each video, and that's going to help you get better at coming up with titles from your video idea and making them more powerful, so it's going to help you get more clicks. Combining a really good title and thumbnail is what's really going to move the needle for your channel at the start of your YouTube journey. So don't skim over these steps. They're really important. Make sure we're spending enough time on our title and our thumbnail and our hook. Those are the 3 keys to unlock growth for your YouTube channel at the start. Now that we've got the 3 most important things locked down, we're going to write the video outline for our next 2 videos, batch that together, and then once we've got our outlines, we can get into the scripting. The scripting might take you a little bit more time in the beginning, but if you are just working off your outline, then you don't need to start scripting your entire video. Just go over your plan, going through your outline as to what you want to talk about and what you want to cover in your video. I really like using the outline and the bullet points. It keeps your video a lot more natural, and it's the style that we're using for this video here. We've just got some bullet points about what we want to talk about and show you in this video. So comment down below if you enjoy this type of style, or are you someone who likes to script it word for word so you know exactly where you're heading. Now we can get into the filming and the editing of your video, and this is where you're going to see the most benefit in batching these tasks, especially filming, so you can get everything set up, get your lights on, get the audio nailed, get the camera all ready so you can record your 2 videos together because we've got our outline and our script ready to go. Now, something to think about when you start batching your videos is your energy level while you are filming and recording your videos. That's why I like to start with just 2 videos. We went straight to 4 or 5 videos, and you'll see as you get to the 3rd, 4th, and 5th video, the energy levels start draining. Everything gets a bit flat and dull and mundane. We really want to keep the energy levels high, because what you'll learn as you start doing more YouTube videos is you need to 10x your energy so you come across normal on your YouTube videos. You really need to perform when you are filming your videos. And this is something that I've worked on a lot with Gigi, because in the beginning of my YouTube days, I could get a little flat, dull and monotonous with my voice. So we have started to breathe better, perform better, and that's all because of Gigi. So if you need any tips or tricks on performing better while you're filming, Gigi is your go-to inside of the Easy Views community. Once we've delivered our amazing performance on camera, we can then download our footage and start editing. Now you're going to see massive benefit in batching your editing, because you can get in the zone, put your earphones on and get down to editing. Remember, we don't want to overdo the editing at the start of the challenge. You really just want to take out all the dead space, all the quiet times when you don't speak, and take out any mistakes that you've made. Keep it really simple and focus on delivering value by the information that you share with your audience, more than spending too long on a fancy edit. Once we've finished editing and exported our video, we can now upload our 2 videos to our YouTube channel. Day 8 you can publish today, and then day 9 we can schedule for the next day. Once your day 8 video is published, I want you to make sure that you are sharing it inside the community so we can come and support, like and comment on your video, and we can give you feedback on your video. If you have any questions about batching your videos or any questions about the Easy Views challenge, you can ask me in the comment section down below. Well done on getting to week 2 in the challenge. I cannot wait to see your day 8 video shared in the community. Thanks for watching and good luck creating.